Disclaimer. This channel does not provide any illegal, copyrighted or adult content. All videos are made for educational purposes only. All contents are created by me using my knowledge, time and experience.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back again to my previous topic is about the VMOS Pro. Lots of friends asked me to remove memory RAM limitation from VMOS Pro, so I have already done it, but there are dark screen error on my device. So you can give a try, then tell me your situation. And also I have already removed memory RAM limitation from VMOS Pro global version and 1.1.17 version with Android Note ROM. You can download these ROMs and application from this video description. If you appreciate my work, please subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on notification and also I can't fix this dark screen error because of it depend on your device. VMOS need to be upgraded. Please stay touch with me. Thank you. Let's see about my device specs. You can see here my internal memory is 4GB and also my RAM is 1.5GB. As you already know, you can't install VMOS Pro application on this device because of it's limited to 32GB internal storage and 2GB RAM. If you have this specification on your device, you can install VMOS Pro application on your device without modifying it. But I can't install VMOS Pro on my device because my device is a low RAM device, so I have modified this VMOS Pro application according to my device without any limitation, but it has dark screen on my device. You can try this application and tell me your situation. Then you can download this application from description of this video. If you want to know about the password, please watch this video carefully. Now after installing this application, open it. Then tap here. Now came back to your home screen and go to your file manager. Now create a new folder on your internal storage. Called VMOS Pro. You can see it's already created. Now open it. Then create a new folder again called backup. Now you need to paste your ROM here like this. You can download these ROMs from description of this video, and also you can download these ROMs inside of VMOS application like this. Click here. Now you can download any ROM from here, and also you can import the ROM from here. Now I am going to import this ROM. Tap here. Now you can see there are no any limitation like memory or RAM. But this application has dark screen error. This need to be updated. You can join to VMOS community from this video description and complain them. And also you can wait a stable update. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join with me. Stay touch with me. Thank you all for watching this video.